Hello everybody and welcome back. So today I have two glamorous new DIYs prepared for you. As always, they're simple, affordable, and super easy to recreate. So if you are interested in seeing what I have created today, just keep on watching. Many of us receive these boxes for Mother's Day, so I'll be creating two DIYs using this box. I'm just going to completely open up the box and flatten it out. Now I'm just going to be using this small plate from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to use it to trace out a couple circles. You'll notice here that where I'm tracing out my pattern actually is partly in the crease of the box. So I did that on purpose so that I will have somewhere to stand up my DIY. Now I'm going to be using this silver Glam wallpaper that I picked up from Amazon. What you see me here doing is just gluing down the corners with just a little bit of hot glue. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you around. I'll be using these popsicle sticks that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to count out 9 sticks and place them on the back of my wallpaper. And then I'm going to go in with my hot glue gun and lightly glue down my sticks. This mirror plate that I had from a previous DIY. It is just from the Dollar Tree, and all I did was just add some bling strips to the sides. And so right here you just see me trying to figure out how I wanted to assemble everything. For the last DIY, I'll be using this round cardboard cutout as well as this mirror paper, which is from Amazon. I'll be using this silver confetti as well as the plate that I used to cut out my circles. And I'm just going to pour a little bit of that confetti onto this plate. I'll also be adding this diamond base filler. These are just some seashells from a previous DIY. Now I'm just going to hot glue on the mirror backing off camera so that I can get the placement correct. And then these are some gems that I used from a previous DIY, and I'm just going to hot glue those around the project. And here's what it looks like, a really fun and decorative summer piece. I think this one's my favorite. What about you guys? Leave me a comment below. Guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to give me a big huge thumbs up, as well as subscribing and hitting the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.